These are the top 5 concealers that are the best concealers for under eye creasing and dark circles. So if you struggle a lot with under eye creasing, you want to opt for concealers that are lightweight, because lightweight concealers tend to move less. All these 5 concealers are clean concealers, which means clean products just refers to any cosmetic product that are created without synthetic chemicals that could potentially be harmful to your skin or that can irritate your skin. And these concealers also contain skincare products that are also really good for your skin. Today's video is also done in partnership with Nordstrom, so I'll be sharing with you guys some of the different brands concealers that are absolutely my favorite and that I would highly recommend. So next up we have the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer. So I absolutely would recommend this concealer if you're looking for a concealer that gives you coverage, but it's more so of a serum concealer, so it's more so of a lightweight concealer. You don't want too much coverage. It's perfect if you're doing like a natural makeup look, and it really helps to hydrate the under eyes a lot. It's a creaseless concealer, so it's perfect if you struggle with under eye creasing, and I love it because it also helps reduce the appearance of dark circles. So if you're somebody who has a lot of discoloration under your eyes or just anywhere on your skin, I would say this concealer is a perfect one to put underneath your foundation because it helps to hide all that, and then you can also apply it on top of your foundation to give you that natural skin-like finish. So when applying it, I also use a very small amount of this concealer because it's meant to be a lightweight concealer. If you put too much concealer, sometimes it could cause that under eye creasing, so you want to place a very small amount under the eyes or anywhere on your skin that you would like to even out. And then I like to use a beauty sponge to blend this one out as well, or you can use your fingers if that suits you, because it is a lightweight concealer, so it blends out seamlessly, and you just want to gently pat that into your skin. So the concealer does contain vitamin C, and vitamin C usually helps to brighten up your skin. So if you're somebody who has darkness under your eyes, using this concealer over time will help brighten up your under eyes. The reason why I like to opt for a lot of clean beauty products, especially concealers, is because when you're placing it on your skin, you want to be careful of the ingredients that you're putting on your skin. And with clean beauty, you don't have to be so cautious about like what's in the product, because they don't contain any of those harmful chemicals that could potentially harm your body, and especially concealers, because sometimes they can go inside your eyes, so you want to be really careful. And Nordstrom actually has one of the best clean beauty brands, and it's really easy because you can just shop online for these brands. They have a section within their website where you can shop only natural clean beauty products, so you can buy them online or you can pick them up at your local Nordstrom store. So some of my favorite clean beauty brands are Cosas, I love Ilia Beauty, RMS Beauty. Nordstrom actually has a whole bunch of clean beauty brands. The next concealer that I would highly recommend for you to get is the Cosas Revealer Concealer. So this concealer is more so of a medium coverage concealer. It's very similar to the Ilia concealer, except this one gives me a little bit more coverage. It is also a buildable full coverage concealer, so you can apply a little bit more to get that full coverage, and it really helps to improve the appearance of your complexion. So it really helps to brighten up your skin. It's also perfect if you have dark under eyes as well, because it helps to really brighten up those dark circles. One thing I love about this concealer is that it has a ton of skincare ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, which is going to help keep your under eyes hydrated. So with this concealer, it's not going to dry out your under eyes. It's actually going to help hydrate it, which I feel like keeps your concealer on your skin longer, because your skin loves hyaluronic acid. And so if you're looking for a really long-lasting concealer, I would say get a hydrating one, and this Cosas one is it. My favorite thing about this concealer is that it still leaves your skin looking like skin. So it's very natural. Like I mentioned, it's very similar to the Ilia concealer. Both of these concealers are super natural, and they're even perfect if you do a no makeup look. It is also a clean concealer, so it does not contain any talc, mineral oil, silicone, or any fragrances that could potentially harm your skin. So the next concealer is perfect for dark under eyes. So this one is mainly if you struggle with like discoloration under your eyes, or you struggle a lot with like darkness on your skin. So it is this Rms Uncover Up Concealer. So this is more so of a thick creamy concealer, but I really like this concealer because it's a very lightweight formula, and it gives my skin a very natural skin-like finish, which is the first that I've ever seen when it comes to thick creamy concealers. Most of those are usually like full coverage, which can cause under eye creasing, but with this one you're really not going to get that because it is a lightweight product. It's also formulated formulated with a lot of skincare ingredients that are going to be really great for your skin. And I feel like with this concealer, it's super hydrating, so your skin will never feel dried out. So this one is perfect if you have darkness because it is a color correcting concealer. So it's mainly for covering up blemishes and redness on your skin. And it's very similar to like a tinted moisturizer. So I would say it is a little bit oily on the skin. So it's perfect if you have a little bit of like dry or combination skin. If you do have combination skin, I would say apply this concealer only on the areas of your skin that are dry. I would not recommend this concealer specifically for oily skin. So the next concealer that is perfect for dark circles under the eye is the Jane Auredale Enlightened Concealer. So this one is perfect for very, very dark under eyes. So this one is not lightweight. It is not light coverage. I feel like it gives me more so of that full coverage. So it's perfect for hyperpigmentation, acne, discoloration, just all of those skin concerns. I really love this concealer because it gives your skin a lot of nourishment. So it contains a lot of skincare ingredients that are great for your skin. So when you're applying it on your skin, it's kind of like moisturizing your skin at the same time. And it really just helps to smoothen out your skin. So even if you have like puffiness on your eyes or like dark circles, it really helps to just brighten up your under eyes and plump it up. So this concealer, I would say, is great for all skin types, but mainly if you have really dry skin. I know some people can have oily skin, but then their under eyes can be really dry. I would say this concealer is perfect for those people. I do think it's great for all skin types. I don't think like people with oily skin won't be able to use it. If you have dark circles under your eyes, then I would say that this concealer will definitely work for that. So what I would recommend is applying a little bit of the concealer under your eyes or on the areas where you need it more. I know some people suffer from a lot of acne around their skin area. Apply a little bit of that concealer and you can blend it out with a brush or a sponge. I do feel like a brush blends out cream concealers a little bit better. So just using a brush, you can spray the brush with a setting spray and blend it out. It gives you a really smooth finish, and I feel like a brush really leaves that pigment on there so that it really helps to cover up those dark circles. If you're somebody who struggles with dark circles under the eyes, then you definitely want to opt for thick and creamy concealers and use a brush to blend it out, because a brush will really get the pigment of the product to stay on your skin so that it covers up that darkness. So this concealer contains organic jojoba oil. It also has organic cocoa seed butter and castor seed oil. For those of you guys who don't know, all those three products are so good for the skin, and they just have good long-term effects on the skin. It makes you look younger. It just helps to fight those wrinkles and fine lines over time. So these are all the top 5 concealers I would recommend. But when we talk about foundation, we need some sweat-proof foundations that are also long-lasting, and that's why this video right here is going to be really helpful, because I give you the top 10 sweat-proof foundations that last all day. A big thank you to Nordstrom and Magic Cleans for sponsoring today's video. All the links will be in the description box down below, so check all these products out. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.